Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss some questions based on special integrals. Let us consider the integral dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now to integrate this, first of all, we divide numerator and denominator. The numerator is 1, so we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. And dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x, we get the numerator will be 1 by cos square x is sec square x dx, and the denominator will be a square cos square x by cos square x is a square plus b square tan square x. Okay, now we know derivative of tan x is sec square x. So now we have to substitute. For that we will put b tan x is equal to t is a square plus b tan x whole square, and we will put b tan x equal to t. Differentiating both sides will get b sec square x dx is equal to dt, and so sec square x dx is equal to 1 by b dt. So this equal to 1 by b dt, and the denominator will be a square plus t square. So this equal to, we can write dt by t square plus a square. Now this is in standard form, dx by x square plus a square form. Its integral will be, its integration will be 1 by a tan inverse of t by a plus 1 by ab tan inverse of, here t equal to b tan x, so it will be tan inverse of b tan x by a plus c. So this is the integration of this dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, 1 by ab tan inverse of b tan x by a plus c. Next, to integrate dx by 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. Now this question is exactly of the same type what we have done just now. Our first step will be to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So you can see our numerator is 1 here, 1 by this. So first of all we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, and dividing by cos square x we get the numerator will be sec square x dx, and the denominator will be 4 tan square x plus 5. Now 4 tan square x equal to, we can write 2 tan x whole square plus 5, and numerator will be sec square x dx. As derivative of tan x is sec square x, we will put 2 tan x equal to t, and its derivative is 2 sec square x dx is equal to dt. So sec square x dx is dt by 2. So our given integral will change to, you can see this equal to dt by 2. So dt by 2, this is t, 2 tan x equal to t, so this will be t square plus 5 equal to, we can write root 5 whole square. Now this is of the form dx by x square plus a square, so its integration will be 1 by a tan inverse of t by root 5. This is of the form dx by x square plus a square, integration will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So it is 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse of t equal to 2 tan x by root 5 plus c. Okay, so this is the integration of this dx by 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. Next, to integrate dx by 3 plus 2 cos square x. Now in the first step, we will write 3 equal to 3 into sine square x plus cos square x. 3 into sine square x plus cos square x is 1, 3 into 1 is 3. So this will be our first step. The next step, the denominator will be 3 sine square x plus 3 cos square x plus 2 cos square x. It will be 5 cos square x. 3 sine square x plus 5 cos square x. Now this is of this form, dx by 4 sine square x plus 5 cos square x. So our next step will be to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. If we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, we will get 1 by cos square x dx divided by 3 sine square x plus 5 cos square x by cos square x. Next, if we simplify, our numerator will be sec square x dx and denominator will be 3 tan square x plus 5. Next, we will write 3 tan square x in this way, root 3 tan x whole square plus root 5 whole square. Next, we will put root 3 tan x equal to t. As we can see, derivative of tan x is sec square x. So root 3 tan x equal to t. Its derivative will be root 3 into sec square x dx is equal to dt. So our given integral will change to this equal to sec square x dx is equal to dt by root 3, and the denominator will be t square plus root 5 square. So this integral is of the form dx by x square plus a square. So its integration will be 1 by a tan inverse of t by root 5. So 1 by root 15 tan inverse of t equal to root 3 tan x. So root 3 tan x by root 5 plus c. Next question is to integrate cos x by cos 3x dx. In the first step, we will write the formula for cos 3x, which is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And taking cos x common in denominator, we will cancel the term cos x. So it will be dx by 4 cos square x minus 3. And in the next step, just like the last question, we will write 3 equal to, in this form, 3 into cos square x plus sin square x, as cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. So it will be dx by 4 cos square x minus 3 cos square x. It will be cos square x minus 3 sin square x. Next, we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Our numerator will be 1 by cos square x is sec square x, and denominator will be 1 minus 3 tan square x. So 1 minus 3 tan square x is 1 minus root 3 tan x whole square. Next, we will put root 3 tan x equal to t. Later, root 3 into tan x is equal to t. Its derivative is root 3 into sec square x dx is equal to dt. So dt by root 3. Sec square x dx is dt by root 3, and denominator is 1 minus t square. Root 3 tan x equal to t. So this integral will become this 1 by root 3 dt by 1 minus t square. 1 equal to, will write 1 square minus t square. So this integral is now of the form dx by a square minus x square. So dx by a square minus x square, we know its integration will be 1 by 2 is a, 1 by 2 into 1 log of 1 plus t by 1 minus t. Dx by a square minus x square is 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So 1 by 2 root 3 log of 1 plus root 3 tan x by 1 minus root 3 tan x plus c. This is the answer. And now I will discuss about the integrals of the form dx by a plus b sin x, dx by a plus b cos x, and dx by a plus b sin x plus c cos x. In this type of integrals, we will write sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. These are actually formula for sin x in terms of tan in submultiples. So we will use these two formula in this type of integrals. Okay, we will write sin x equal to this, we will write cos x equal to this in this type of integrals. Let us take a question. Now let us integrate dx by 5 plus 4 cos x, and this integral is of the form this dx by a plus b cos x. In such type of integral, first of all we will write the formula for cos x in terms of tan in submultiple. Now you can see cos x equal to this, so we will write cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is our first step. If we take LCM in the denominator will be 1 plus tan square x by 2, and this will be 5 into 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 dx by. Now 1 plus tan square x by 2 will come in the numerator, so the numerator will be 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx, and the denominator will be 5 plus 4, 5 into 1 5, 4 into 1 4, 9, 5 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan square x by 2, tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2, because 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. Denominator is 9 plus tan square x by 2, and we can see the derivative of tan x by 2 is almost numerator. Derivative of tan x by 2 will be half into sec square x by 2. So now we will substitute. So putting tan x by 2 equal to t, and if we differentiate, we will get derivative of tan x by 2 is half into sec square x by 2 dx is equal to dt. So this integral will change to sec square x by 2 dx is 2 into dt, so it will be 2 dt divided by 9 plus t square. So this equal to, we can write 2 into dt by t square plus 3 square. Now dt by t square plus 3 square is of the form dx by x square plus a square, and its integration will be 1 by a tan inverse of t by 3 plus c. So it will be 2 by 3 tan inverse of t is tan x by 2 by 3 plus c. So this is the answer. Next question is to integrate dx by 1 minus 2 sin x. Clearly this is of the form dx by a plus b sin x. Okay. So before integrating, what we have to do, we will write the formula for sin x in terms of tan. So we'll get dx by 1 minus 2 into. Formula for sin x in terms of tan is this 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Next we will take LCM. In denominator, the LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2, and this will be 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan x by 2 dx. Now 1 plus tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2, which will come in the numerator. So it will be sec square x by 2. This is we know sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. Here it is 1 plus tan square x by 2. So it will be sec square x by 2 and it will come in the numerator. And the denominator is tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan x by 2 plus 1 dx. Next, clearly derivative of tan x by 2 is half into sec square x by 2. As sec square x by 2 is here, we will put tan x by 2 equal to t. Now, derivative of tan x by 2 is half sec square x by 2 dx is equal to dt. So, this is the dt by t square minus 4t plus 1. And now we have to integrate. First of all, we will express this in whole square form. Dt by t square minus 2 into t. To get 40, we will multiply 2 with this. Next, to make it whole square, we will add a 2 square with this. T square minus 40 plus 4. 4 I have written extra. To adjust, we have to write minus 4 also. Dt by t minus 2 whole square minus of 3. Minus of 3 means root 3 square. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 and minus of 3 equal to I have written root 3 square. Now this integral is of the form dx by x square minus a square. Dx by x square minus a square. This is in terms of t. We say dt by t square minus a square form. This is the linear expression. And its integration will be 1 by 2a log of this t minus a by t plus a plus c, and we will put t equal to tan x by 2. So if we put t equal to tan x by 2, our answer will be this 1 by 2 root 3 log of tan x by 2 minus root 3 by tan x by 2 minus 2 plus root 3. So this is the answer. Next question is to integrate dx by 1 minus sin x plus cos x. Now this question, this integral is of the form this dx by a plus b cos x plus c sin x. Now to integrate, our first step will be to write the formula for sin x and cos x. So sin x is 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Taking LCM, in the denominator the LCM will be 1 plus tan square x by 2, and this will be 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 dx. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2, which will come in the numerator. So the numerator will be now sec square x by 2. Okay, I'm just removing this line. I will write this line again. Okay. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2, which will come in the numerator. Sec square x by 2. The denominator now, you see tan square will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 tan x by 2. Taking 2 common, so it will be half into sec square x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2 dx. Now we know derivative of tan x by 2 is half sec square x by 2. You can say half into sec square x by 2 is here. So we will put whole denominator, that is 1 minus tan x by 2 equal to t. We can put tan x by 2 equal to t also, but we will put 1 minus tan x by 2 equal to t. Now it's derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of tan x by 2 is half sec square x by 2 dx is equal to dt. So half sec square x by 2, half into sec square x by 2 dx is, you can see if we use this, half into sec square x by 2 is minus of dt, so it will be minus of dt, and this is t. We know integration of 1 by t is log of t, and log of t equal to 1 minus tan x by 2 plus c. So this is the solution. Now let me discuss about integrals of the form px by ax square plus bx plus c, where px is a polynomial of degree 2 or more. That means the denominator is a quadratic polynomial, but the numerator is a polynomial of degree 2 or more than that. Okay, let us take an example. Here I have taken this integral to integrate x square divided by x square plus 6x plus 10. The denominator is a quadratic expression, x square plus 6x plus 10, and the numerator is also a quadratic expression, quadratic polynomial. Okay, here I am discussing about integration of this form where denominator is a quadratic polynomial and the numerator is either a quadratic polynomial or a polynomial whose degree is more than 2. And here I have taken a polynomial whose denominator is a quadratic polynomial and numerator is also a polynomial of degree 2. Now our first step will be to divide the numerator by denominator. Now you can see you can divide in this way also. We can write x square, the numerator is x square, we can write numerator equal to x square plus 6x plus 10, and to adjust we will write minus of 6x plus 10. In that case 6x plus 10, 6x plus 10 will get cancelled. So if we divide numerator by denominator, this will become, this by this is 1 minus 6x plus 10 divided by x square plus 6x plus 10. Now integration of first part, integration of 1 is x minus integration of 6x plus 10 divided by x square plus 6x plus 10 dx. And now in this integral the numerator is a linear polynomial and the denominator is a quadratic polynomial, and I have already discussed about this type of integral, integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, linear expression by quadratic expression. Now how to integrate this? What we will do, we will write numerator equal to 6x plus 10 equal to a into derivative of denominator, which is 2x plus 6 plus b, this equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Now we will find a and b. 6x plus 10 equal to 2ax plus 6a plus b. Comparing 2a equal to 6, therefore 2a equal to 6 and 6a plus b equal to 10. From this we will get a equal to 3 and b equal to 18 minus 10 minus 18 is a minus of 8. So a equal to 3, b equal to minus 8. Now give an integral equal to x minus 6x plus 10 equal to this, and now we know the values of a and b, so we will write numerator equal to 6x plus 10 equal to 3 into 2x plus 6 minus 8 by x square plus 6x plus 10 dx. Next step will be x minus this by this, so 3 into 2x plus 6 by x square plus 6x plus 10 dx, minus and minus plus 8. Actually we will separate this into two parts, this by this minus 8 by this, so minus minus plus 8, it will be 8 by 8 into dx by x square plus 6x plus 10. Now x minus 3 into integration of this part. Integration of this part, you can see this is of the form f dash x by fx, x square plus 6x plus 10, its derivative is 2x plus 6. So this is of the form f dash x by fx, and its integration will be log of fx, log of x square plus 6x plus 10. This is the integration of this part, plus 8 into, now what we have to do, we have to express this in whole square form. So we'll write in this way, x square plus 2 into x into 3. If we write x 2 into x into 3, we'll get 6x. Now this is of the form a square plus 2ab. If we add 3 square with this, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be in the form a plus b whole square. Now the constant term is 10 and I have written 3 square, 9. So you have to add 1 with this. 9 plus 1 is 10. And now integration of first two part is over. I have written x minus this, and now we have to integrate this part. Now this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square is x plus 3 whole square plus 1 square. Now we have to integrate this part only. Rest of the part we have already completed. So it will be x minus 3 log x square plus 6x plus 10 plus 8 into, now this integral is of the form dx by x square plus a square, dx by x square plus a square. So it will be 1 by a, 1 by a means 1 by 1, so 1 tan inverse of, I will write tan inverse of x by a, x by a, x plus 3 by 1 is x plus 3. So 1 by a means 1 by 1, which is 1, tan inverse of x by a is this. So this is the answer, x minus 3 log this plus 8 tan inverse of x plus 3 plus c. Dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the solution. Next, to integrate x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. For that, again, you see, this is a quadratic polynomial, this is also quadratic polynomial. First we have to divide, and how to divide, we'll write numerator equal to, you can see numerator is x square plus 1, but we'll write this, the denominator. We'll write the denominator in this place, in the numerator, x square plus 5 minus 5x plus 6. First of all, we'll write this here in numerator, and now we have to adjust. I have written minus 5x here, I will write plus 5x here. In that case, you see 5x and minus 5x will get cancelled. Okay. Here it was plus 1 and I have written plus 6, and to adjust, what we have to do, we'll have to subtract 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, minus 5x plus 5x get cancelled, x square. Okay. You can easily check, this is equal to x square plus 1. First I have written this here in numerator, and then I have adjusted. I have written minus 5x, to adjust I have to write plus 5x. I have written plus 6, to get plus 1 or to subtract minus 5, etc. Next, this by this, which is 1 plus 5x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. This part equal to integration of 1 is x plus integration of this part. We can take 5 common from numerator also. Let me write 5x minus 5. 5x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Now this integral is of the form a linear expression by quadratic expression, and we know how to integrate this type of integration. What we do, we write numerator equal to a into derivative of denominator, which is 2x minus 5 plus b. This equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. Now we'll find a and b. For that, First we'll multiply this 2ax minus 5a plus b. Next we'll compare coefficient of x 2a, coefficient of x is 5, therefore 5 equal to 2a, and constant term minus of 5 is equal to minus 5a plus b. From this we'll get a equal to 5 by 2. So minus 5 equal to 5 by 2, so minus of 25 by 2 plus b. And from this we get the value of b, which is equal to 15 by 2. Now given integral becomes x plus 5x minus 5 is 5x minus 5 equal to, now we can write a is 5 by 2, so 5 by into 2x minus 5, 5 by 2 into 2x minus 5 plus b is 15 by 2 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Now we'll separate x plus this by this will be 5 by 2, 2x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx plus 15 by 2, this by this dx by x square minus 5x plus 6. I have just separated these two parts. This by this I have written here, plus this by this I have written here, x plus 5 by 2. Now this integral is of the form f dash x by fx. Derivative of this is here in numerator. So f dash x by fx is log fx. So log of x square minus 5x plus 6. So integration of these two parts is over. And now we have to integrate this. For that we will express this in whole square form. Dx by x square minus 2 into x into 5 by 2. In that case you can see 2 get cancelled, 5x, 5x. To make it a perfect square, a square minus 2ab. To make it a perfect square, we will add 5 by 2 whole square with this. Okay. Now plus 6. I have written this term extra. For that we have to subtract 5 by 2 whole square. You can check this is plus 5 by 2 whole square, this is minus 5 by 2 whole square, these two get cancelled, and x square minus 5x plus 6x square minus 5x, and this is 6. Okay. So x plus 5 by 2 log of x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 15 by 2. Now this equal to, we can write dx by x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 minus 25 by 4. So if we simplify, it will be minus of 1 by 4, that is it will be minus of half square. 6 minus 25 by 4, if we simplify, it will be minus of 1 by 4, minus of 1 by 4. Now we have to integrate. This is of the form dx by x square minus a square. Now this is of the form dx by x square minus a square. Its integration will be 1 by twice of a, that is twice of half, log of x square minus a square is, you can write x minus a by x plus a plus a. Okay. And now just have to simplify here. So simplifying, we get this equal to log of x minus 3 by x minus 2 plus 6. So what is the answer? X plus 5 by 2 log of x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 15 by 2 log of x minus 3 by x minus 2. And so these are some questions based on some special integrals. These are very important questions for board exam also. That's all for today. Thank you.